We now have a bird's-eye view of the Curiosity rover and its latest Martian digs. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, captured a dramatic image last month of Curiosity ascending Mont Mercure, a landform on the slopes of the red planet's 3.4-mile-high, 5.5 kilometers, Mount Sharp. MRO took the picture on April 18 using its high-resolution imaging science experiment, HiRISE, instrument, which can resolve features as small as a coffee table on the Martian surface. So the car-sized Curiosity is plainly visible, even though MRO was flying 167.5 miles, 269.4 kilometers, above the rover at the time, according to the HiRISE team's image description. Curiosity landed inside the 96-mile-wide, 154 kilometers, Gale crater in August 2012, on a mission to determine if the area could ever have supported microbial life. The answer to this question is yes. The six-wheeled robot's observations have shown that Gale hosted a potentially habitable lake and stream system for long stretches in the ancient past. In September 2014, Curiosity reached the foothills of Mount Sharp, which rises high into the Martian sky from Gale's center. The rover has been climbing the mountain ever since, examining the layered rock deposits for clues about Mars' long-ago transition from a relatively warm and wet world to the cold, desert planet that it is today. Observations by MRO and other orbiters show that this transition is recorded in the rock, as a shift from clay-bearing material to layers with lots of salty sulfates. The hills just beyond Mont Mercure are rich in sulfates, so that is where we're headed, Curiosity Deputy Project Scientist Abigail Freeman, of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, said in a video update posted on Thursday, May 20th. This is far from the first time that MRO has spied Curiosity. The sharp-eyed HiRISE has picked out the rover multiple times, even snapping an amazing shot of the robot parachuting to the Martian surface during its August 2012 landing. Curiosity isn't the only robot currently active on Mars. NASA's InSight lander has been monitoring the red planet's seismic environment since November 2018, for example, and the agency's Perseverance rover and tiny Ingenuity helicopter touched down on February 18th. Ingenuity is gearing up for its sixth Martian flight, and Perseverance is now beginning to sink its teeth into its own life-hunting, sample-collecting mission, after helping support and document the chopper's first 5 aerial forays. And Mars just got its first Chinese robot, the Zhurong rover, which touched down May 14th on the vast red planet plain Utopia Planitia. There's a nice piece in the New York Times about the increased levels of public participation in recent Mars landings. A big part of the reason is that given a large, interested population with broadband connections, NASA officials have done their best to share every bit of data, image, and video they can online. And as a result, thousands of websites have cropped up, including those by laymen colorizing images and even weblogs written from the rover's point of view. Thanks to NASA sharing every bit of information they can online, the experience of watching the Mars landing and exploration for students and observers today is a far cry from the days of the moon landing. Instead of a one-way communication delivered by grainy video on television, we have an interactive, two-way process where the viewer can help scientists on the other side of the globe and take in information along with millions of others.